Hello. If you want to transfer data from ALCATEL 3X 2019 to Android smartphone, for the first you have to move to the Play Store on the both devices and download application to transfer data. I will use application named Clone. So right now I'm gonna open it on the both smartphones. And right now we have to click Sender on our ALCATEL, click Allow, and Receiver on Android smartphone. Click Search again. Right now just wait a little bit and click on the Android share icon. And as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can go for the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to decide which one way will be better for you. I'm going to scan the QR code right now. Accept the request. And right now when you want to take everything from your ALCATEL, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going below for the details, and I will probably go for the photos, and I will send this picture. So click on the start, OK, and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.